Euclid's Elements, Book 3, Proposition 27. In equal circles, angles standing on equal circumferences are equal to one another, whether they stand at the centers or at the circumferences. So here's our given. We have two equal circles, circle ABC equal to circle DEF. So circle ABC equals circle DEF. And they have the same circumference. So we're going to say circumference BC is equal to circumference EF. And in that case, when we have angles that stand on them, whether they stand at the center or whether they stand at the circumference, we're going to prove that those angles are equal. So if we have an angle at the center, so here's our angle, say G, another angle at this center, say H, and they both stand on these equal circumferences. Remember, it's a given here that this circumference is equal to this circumference. So whether they stand here or whether they stand at the circumference, like this, we're going to prove that the angle at G is equal to the angle at H and the angle at A is equal to the angle at D. So here's what we're proving. That the angle at the center is equal to this angle at the center, angle G is equal to angle H, and the angle at the circumference, angle A, is equal to this angle at the circumference, angle D. So this is a proof by contradiction, so we're going to make a claim and then look at the contrary of that claim. So the first thing we're going to do is I say that angle G equals angle H. That's my claim. Now let's look at the contrary of the claim. If not, then they're not equal, then they are unequal. That makes sense, right? If they're not equal, then they have to be unequal, which means one of them must be greater. So let's just let angle G be greater. One of them has to be greater. So let G be greater. Well, if G is greater, then we can construct a smaller angle that's equal to H. So whatever this angle is here, we can construct that here and make that equal. And we can do that because of Book 1, Prop 23, that allows us to make an angle equal to a given angle at a given point. So now we have angle BG, let's call this K. So we've made angle BGK equal to angle H. Our second step is we invoke Book 3, Proposition 26. If these angles are equal, Prop 26 says that equal angles stand on equal circumferences. So if these angles are equal, they stand on equal circumferences, which means circumference BK is equal to circumference EF. Well, what's the problem with that? Well, EF, we know as a given, EF is already equal to BC. So two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other. Therefore, circumference BK is equal to circumference BC. Circumference BK, this smaller piece, is also equal to circumference BK. That doesn't make any sense. We're saying that the lesser is equal to the greater, which is, of course, absurd. And what gave rise to this absurdity is the assumption that these angles are unequal. Therefore, they are not unequal. Well, if they're not unequal, then they must be equal. So angle G must be equal to angle H. So we've proven the first part. Now, it just is left for us to remember Book 3, Prop 20 says that when we have equal angles, so this is false, so now we're back to this situation where this is equal to this. And when you have, Prop 20 says that when we have angles equal at the center, then the angles that are at the circumference of those are going to be half. So in the same circles, remember these are equal circles. In equal circles, if the centers are equal, then the angles at the circumference are equal to half, or these are equal to double these. So if these are equal and these are equal to half, then halves of equal things are themselves equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle D. This is equal to half of this. This is equal to half of this. These are equal. Therefore, these are equal. So angle A is equal to angle D, which is the second thing we're going to prove. Therefore, in equal circles, if angles stand on equal circumferences, they are themselves equal, whether they stand at the center or they stand at the circumference. And since we have proved that, we conclude with QED.